Hey guys, what's up? Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a surprise project. I'm actually rebuilding this CSX C40-8 number 7584 by Bachmann Spectrum. This has been one of my most recent projects that I started the other day of just evaluating the condition. The original chassis with this locomotive was not in good shape, but I happened to find this other one that I just recently did some service to today. As a matter of fact, it came in the mail today, and I had to actually replace these two electrical places. You can see the paint on this one has worn mostly off and was making the engine short out. So I said, for the front truck, and these came out of the front truck, and I said, I'm gonna go ahead and get the other two from the original construction and put it in here. And here's the difference. Smooth as silk. Now it is a little bit noisy, but I will be working the kinks out of this. But the mechanical parts of this are in pretty good shape now. The next part will be actually doing the cosmetic work on the engine. As you can see, the shell has seen better days, but what my plans are now is to get brand new handrails for it, which I can find those. I can actually get the metal ones, which I'm preferring more and more now. Get the metal handrails and make it look good again, and go from there. I'm really pleased that I was able to find one of these drives and actually be able to make this work. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. It's my first Dash 8 locomotive I've ever owned. For a Bachmann engine, this is actually pretty good detail. Molded in detail all over the cab, and even the radiator vents are nicely done as well. So this engine will be ready before too long, but I will be putting on the handrails eventually. But this is my latest project. I was actually able to get the mechanics of it ready to roll, which I was surprised. I thought the something in it was not right, but it is working great now. So let me do another demonstration for you. I'm not really putting on a lot of throttle. But I tell you, I'm really pleased with this. This is my latest project, so you're going to be seeing some videos on this. So anyway, guys, that wraps up for day one of the CSX 7584 restoration. Lots of work has got to be done to it, but I will be doing some of this work, to and from, time from work and everything. So this is the first part of many videos that will be coming out on this locomotive. So definitely stay on the tune for that. So stay in tune for that. We got lots of videos coming up soon. So just remember, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell. And I'll see you guys on the next run. Peace.